Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of April 29th through March 5th. And this week I decided that I was going to do a Dollar Tree sticker challenge planner spread. I've done this before in the past a couple of different times. It's been a while since I've done this, so basically what it is I challenge myself to use only Dollar Tree things on my planner layout. And my inspiration for this week is this sticker sheet. I actually decided to go ahead and buy two of them, but it's this blue and yellow and white sticker sheet from the Dollar Tree. And what I thought I would do was use this yellow paper from the Lemon notebook page as my paper for this week. So I figured I could just use the yellow part. I'm probably not going to use the lemon part just because it's not really what I'm going for, but that's kind of what I thought. And then I do have a couple of different florals that I pulled out. These are all from the Dollar Tree kind of past things, so I went ahead and pulled these out. I really like these yellow ones. I'm probably going to try to incorporate those in there, and probably this one as well. So and then I did pull out some Dollar Tree washi tape, just the thin little washi tape in the three colors that I'm planning on working on. So I think I probably won't do any kind of journal card this week. Just not really feeling the whole journal card this week. So I am going to go ahead and start the plan with me, and I will be doing a voiceover. So we will go ahead and start the plan with me. First thing that I did was took the lemon paper that I told you I was going to use, and basically I just wanted to use the lined portion of the paper. I didn't want to use the lemons like I had mentioned at the beginning. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut down that paper into just rows. So I'm going to do four row columns that are for the two boxes, and I do leave some of the floral print on there because there's a little bit of floral print on a couple of the different pieces of the paper. So I was able to leave that on without it being like without the lemons. So that was helpful. And I know I'm off camera here, but I'll show you in a second what I'm doing. So just went ahead and cut both those pieces up together. And I'm going to lay that down there, but I do end up moving it over to one for Tuesday instead of Monday. Okay, so then I'm going to cut up two more, and I'm just going to use that same piece of paper. So I have two pieces of paper there, and that's basically all I used. All right, so this one was pretty quick. I only had about 40 minutes of footage, so it took me probably only about maybe 35 minutes to do. And yeah, so, and I like how it turned out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get the paper laid out. Now you do see the lemons there right now, but I'm planning on covering those with stickers and sticker time, so it'll kind of take that away. So it looks a little weird right now, but I will take that lemon image away. Now, I also wanted to make sure now that I have all the pieces for the inside, I'm going to go ahead and just put something down for the side panel. That's why I decided to move the pages over to Tuesday and Wednesday on the one side, just because it looked better being further away than having it right up close to it. So I'm just going to get this trimmed up real quick. Now this paper is pretty thin, so I went ahead and used my glue dots tape adhesive runner, but I did need to be a little bit careful with it because again, the paper is pretty thin. It's just a little piece of, notebook paper. So, and then I just lined one up at the top, and then I went ahead and lined one up at the middle. And what I was trying to do too, I was trying to cover up the pink little line as much as possible. So I made sure that when I put down the page, it covered up as many of those little lines as possible. Okay, and I did get a little bit of glue dots, the adhesive tape, on my page right there. So I wish I hadn't done that, but I went ahead and covered that up with a sticker later on, so you don't even tell. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put down some of the washi tape. And basically what I wanted to do is just bring in the two colors and put them kind of close together. It's kind of interesting because when I was doing this, I didn't have any blue on the page yet. So I felt like, well, my stickers don't match. But then once I started putting the stickers down, it definitely brought it all together. So I'm going to go ahead and put down that really thin strip of yellow washi tape down at the bottom and the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the blue one and put that at the bottom and the top as well. So just have a little bit of a layering effect to those. And I felt like that helped it kind of cut down on that brightness of the yellow of the washi tape, because the stickers are pretty plain, are pretty light in yellow color, so I felt like that washi tape was a little bit bright. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get it on the other side as well. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing. And then once I get done with that, it's going to be sticker time. Oh, this one was a really quick one, but I think it turned out really cute, and I am glad that I was able to get something done this week because I wasn't very motivated, but it is done. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.